guys, we're back. I'm gonna do, this is Glidden Essentials. I let it sit out for a bit. Oh, and that Sherwin-Williams was a little on the thin side, so I added some Bare Untinted to it. And you can do that. Oh, I see something. Do I see something? Maybe I am seeing things. Yeah, that's the other thing too. My vision has been kind of weird. I am getting a CAT scan, so it's all good. It's all good. So I'm putting it at the edge here so that I can just transfer it. Gotta make sure there's no goobers in here. I don't think so. Because I emptied my can into this GAC 800 bottle. Because I like to recycle stuff. Can you guys see that? Yes, you can. So I'm gonna put the black paint on the tile. This is going to be my swipe. So what do we want to swipe with? This is Artist Loft in metallic cobalt blue. I like that color. So we're putting this on black. We need bright colors. Here's my pinwheel, which I love. I might even be able to swipe in black because yeah, I'll be able to do that. This is velvet. And what else do we want to put there? I only brought so many colors out. More of this. I love that pink. That's a Nikki thing. Yeah, I think I'm going to swipe black. And a little bit of gold. Yep, that's good. We'll see how this looks. Not too much because it tends to take over. Oh, and a little bit of, this is golden turquoise phthalo. Yeah, I'm swiping black. And I'm gonna need a bigger swipe tool. When I was at the FluidArt experience, both TLP or FluidArt company and ColorArt had a lot of freebies that they were giving to, oh, I know what I might do. Yeah, to all the attendees, and it was awesome. I mean, we came home with so much. So grateful. Yeah, their sponsors were awesome. Okay, so there's the black. It's a lot. It's a big tool. Ooh, me likey. Wow, I got too many white cells, but that's okay. I don't mind. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and I'm either going to just put it down, or I'm gonna take this and scoop it up and bring it over. Them some big cells. Wow. I might have to blow some of these. Well, there's not much coming up there. It's just all white. Very pretty. I like the colors. I don't know if I want to try and transfer the white though. Well, there's a lot of white there. I'm talking to myself again. All right, let me pull this aside. And put down my black. Looks like a carnival happening down here. Gotta love that. I think Carnival is in February. They have some stuff going on here in Florida for that. But the true Carnival, I think, is in Trinidad. Well, they've got them all over the place. I shouldn't say that, just Trinidad. All right, let me make sure I've got enough paint on here. This one I might be spinning out. Wow, look at those colors. All right, how are we gonna do this? I think I'm gonna try the spatula. Are we all in frame here? All right. This is going to be weird to be able to film this so that you guys can see everything that's going on. There. This is just a piece of plastic art paper. Okay, I'm going to try this. Ooh. Wow. Très cool. That's different. Now I wonder if I can get the rest of this good stuff here with any success. Maybe I should just dump it. We'll try it this way. So much pretty colors there. Still coming off. It's not exactly a minimalist. Look at all that. Oh, I've got an idea. Know if this is gonna work. Oh, I need a bigger one. Well, I'm not sure about that. We can mess with it. All right, putting that over there. Now I should just spin it. I lost a lot here. There's a lot of white in there. I got a couple of little bubbles. Yada, yada, yada. I'm not hating it. All right, now I'm kind of hating it. All right, this is what I want to do. You can always fudge with it. I like that better already. I'm gonna take this right off. And then put some more black on. Okay. Let's give her another spin. Okay. Now we're gonna play. I love the toothpicks. Not hating that. I'm going to take this off. Want more negative space. That is pretty funky. It's very groovy. Wow. You know, the colors, they're almost, wow. They're like starting to watercolor here. That's, I don't know if that's a verb or not. Let's call Webster. I always try, you know, I excelled in English in a French grade school. So I always get, I always like to try and speak proper English. Oh, that did not go well. That's better. That didn't go well either. Oh, interesting. Now I'm creating a little flower right in the middle of it. Could it be a lotus flower? Looks like a little bum right now. No, that looks silly. There we go. It's a lot to work with here. This is fun. I like the curly cues. I've never been really good at them, but I'm not minding them right now. I don't think I'm going to do too much more to this. I like it. This is almost way too much right there. I love how these colors are blending. Beautiful. This looks weird. He looks like a, I don't know. He's got an eye. Looks like a whale. I don't know that I'll be able to fix that. I'm going to attempt to. Not happening. And that's how you fix it. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. There's a big, oh, shoot. No, it's not it. That's not all, because I've got to fix that now. There. Quite enjoying this. What do you think? I might do another one. Different colors. This is really bright, but the colors are blending And yeah, it's kind of cool. I really like it. Did I tell you I really like it? You know what? This looks silly right here. I'm gonna bring this up. Looks like a piece of garlic. All right, I'm gonna bring it down. Back in a flat. All right, so now you might be able to see it better. It's a little on the busy side. I need to put less paint down, but look at this. Beautiful. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. That's a mix of the white with the, I think with the cobalt blue. Now I don't know if the metallic cobalt blue is opaque or not. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Here, too close. There we go. Kind of cool. Yeah, the gold picked up a lot of the other, like the pinwheel. And it's just shimmering. Shimmering? Is that a word? Shimmering. So there's more of that, looks like watercolor effect there. Who knew you could get that with a swipe? So let me know what you think. Keep or scrape? Keep or scrape?